I express my gratitude toward Vishweshwarya Group of Institutions, faculty, and the corporate trainers. The training which we did was truly amazing and exceptional. It enhanced my practical knowledge and made me competent enough to handle the profile of companies with ease and confidence.
Hi, my name is Saloni. The Agriculture Science program at Visvesvaraya campus is a career-oriented program. This program is designed in such a manner that along with university curriculum, students got prepared for various competitive exams. The industrial training along with the confidence-building measures made it one of the top choice courses at campus. I chose Visvesvaraya group of institutions as one of my relatives is alumni from there and is at present working in top MNC with higher handsome package. He guided me to get enrolled at VGI. After 3 years of joining, I can say with my conviction that I received right guidance at right time. Today I have 3 offers with me. Thank you.